In 2025, AI isn't just a trend anymore, it's your secret weapon for working smarter, earning more, and supercharging your productivity. Today, I'm revealing 5 AI tools that will make you absolutely unstoppable. First up, Pika Labs. This is the new king of AO video creation. You just type in an idea, and it transforms your text into a cinematic masterpiece. We're talking perfect camera movements, smooth transitions, and professional lighting, whether you're making content for YouTube, TikTok, or running ads. Pika lets you create incredible videos, even if you have zero editing skills. Next, say goodbye to Google and hello to Perplexity AI. This isn't your average search engine. Instead of just giving you a list of links, Perplexity gives you direct, accurate answers with all the sources cited. It can research anything for you in seconds, from new business ideas to your next travel itinerary, saving you hours every single day. The third tool is Gamma AI, and it's a game changer for presentations and documents. Just give it a topic, and it automatically designs a stunning presentation, document, or social media carousel with perfect formatting. Students, small businesses, and creators are using Gamma to produce high-quality content 10 times faster than before. Our fourth tool is 11 Labs, the most realistic AI voice generator on the planet. You can create Hollywood-quality narrations, unique character voices, or even a clone of your own voice. Many creators are now making entire videos using 11 Labs without ever recording a single word themselves. It's perfect for YouTube, audiobooks, and storytelling. And finally, number 5 is Cascade AI. Think of it as your personal assistant for life. It helps you organize your day, plan your goals, manage complex projects, and automate your work. It builds smart to-do lists, creates team systems, and sends you reminders, keeping your life running smoothly with almost zero effort. These 5 tools are all designed to do one thing: save you time, boost your income potential, and give you a massive advantage over everyone who isn't using AI yet. If you start using even one of these tools consistently, your productivity will absolutely explode. You'll quickly realize how much faster and easier life can be. This is why 2025 is the perfect time to start learning AI. The people who master these tools now will be the leaders, creators, and entrepreneurs of the next decade. So, pick one tool from this list, try it out today, and watch how your skills, your work, and your future begin to improve instantly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to level up with